Hey everyone, today we're going to be opening this really interesting value pack I found in my local London Drugs. It's filled with 3 booster packs. I bought it for the evolutions, but it has Roaring Skies and I believe a Primal Clash in the middle. Value packs are always fun to open. You just never know what you're going to get. Usually you get absolutely nothing out of these packs. But sometimes you never know. So we got Roaring Skies, and we got Primal Clash, which I like to call Primal Trash, and of course Evolutions, which will open right off the bat. So let's see what we can get from this Raichu Evolutions pack. Hopefully a Raichu. But that never works, right? This is a good time to just let everyone know. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I appreciate the support thus far. Got a code card. Let's get into it. So we got Revive. Nidorino. De-Evolution Spray. Tangela. Ponyta, Doduo, Staryu, Seal, Reverse Hollow Magnemite, and Dugong. Damn. Okay, so let's move on to Primal Trash. Nah, it's not that. I got some pretty good pulls out of it. It's not that. It wasn't that bad. Still, you get some really bad cards from it as well. It's horrible, horrendous. And we got a code card. So we got Shrine of Memories by Brava, Linuni, Nidoran, Tangela, Illumzi, Slugma, Torchic, Reverse Hollow Torchic, very cool. I like that art. And what? Primal Groudon? This is awesome. Wow, I'm speechless.
Man, I'm so hyped right now. Anything's possible. Anything's possible!
This is easily the best card I've ever pulled on my channel. Wow, this is really cool. I was from a value pack. It's crazy. Still hyped about that Groudon. We gotta move on to this Roaring Skies. I doubt we'll even come close to that pull. That was such a great pull. My best pull on this channel. From a value pack, guys. Wow. So, Healing Scarf, Glissaur, Switch, Electrike, Agon, Pidove, Nincada, Swablu, that's how you say it? Reverse Hollow Shelgon. Oh man, don't tell me what the next one might be. We got the Bagon, we got the Shelgon. Oh, Articuno, that's actually pretty cool. Very cool. Rare Articuno, very nice. Okay guys, thanks very much for watching. Have a great day and don't forget to like and subscribe. Primal Groudon, how cool is that?